वेलकम टू माय चैनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साइंस ट्यूटोरियल। आज की हम इस क्लास में थ्री वेरिएबल के मैप को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो हम सीखेंगे। पिछले क्लास में हम सीखे थे हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट टू वेरिएबल इन के मैप। आज की क्लास में हम थ्री वेरिएबल के मैप रिप्रेजेंटेशन सीखेंगे। सो विदाउट एनी टाइम वेस्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्लास। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैप द फॉलोइंग फंक्शंस इन द के मैप। And the question is f1, which is the function of xyz, that is equal to summation m 0 to 46. Summation m means here we represent min term only, okay, and xyz is the three variable. So f1 is the function, xyz is the three variable, and the function is summation m 0 to 46. Three variable means total 2 to the power 3, total 8 box is present here. So here is the K map. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 boxes here. First this variable is x and this side is variable is yz. यहाँ पे दो box है. So first is represented by 0 and the second box is represented by 1. Next यहाँ पे first is represented by 0 0, next 0 1, third is 1 1 and then 1 0. Why we represent in this pattern 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0? Because we want only one change in the variable and the other variable is in stable condition, like this. Here 0 to 0 is stable condition, but 0 to 1 is change. 0 to 1 is in this condition, 0 to 1 is changed, 1 to 1 is stable condition. Here 1 to 1 is change stable condition, 1 to 0 is change condition. So here we write in this pattern, that is first is 0 0, next is 0 1, third is 1 1, then 1 0. Okay, next this is 0 0, yz value is 0 0, x value is 0. So this value is represented as 0 0 0. So this value number, this box number is 0. Next this 0 0 1. So the box number is 1. Next 0 1 1. That means 3. So the box number is 3. Next 0 1 0. That means 2. The box number is 2. Next this box 1 0 0, that means 4. Next this box 1 0 1, x is 1, y is 0, z is 1. So 1 0 1 means 5. Next 1 1 1, that means 7, and next 1 1 0, that means 6. So 0 to 7, total 8 boxes present here. Function is 0 to 46 and the representation is min term. Min term, how we represent min term? Min term is represented by 1. The number of function is 0, so 0 is 1. 2, 2 is 1. 4, 4 box is 1. 2 is, here 0 is 1, here 2 is 1. Next is 4, 4 is 1, 4 number 4 box is 1. 6, 6 number box is also 1. But 1 3 5 7, this number is missing in this function, so here we write 0. Box 1 is represented by 0, box 3 is also represented by 0, box 5 is represented by 0, box 7 is represented by 0, because this 0, 1 3 5 7 number is missing in this function. But 0 2 4 6 is present in this function and this number is represented by 1 for min term. Okay, so this is one type of K-map representation for min term for a 3 variable. Okay, next we saw the max term representation for 3 variable. The second question is map the following functions in the K-map, that is f2, which is the function of xyz, that is equal to pi m. M is in caps, that means we have to compute the max term, and the function is 0, 1, 4, 7. So 3 variable means we know 8 box is represented the K-map. So 8 box here we write. So how was the K-map? This is the K-map. यहाँ पे 8 बॉक्स है 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means total 8 box is present in this K-map. This side variable is x and this side variable is yz. यहाँ पे हम 0 लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे 1 लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे 0 0, नेक्स्ट 0 1, नेक्स्ट 1 1, देन 1 0 लिखेंगे. फंक्शन क्या है 0 1 4 7 और इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसा है कैप्स एम पे. दैट मीन्स मैक्स टर्म को हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. मैक्स टर्म को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? मैक्स टर्म को हम 0 से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. द नंबर इज प्रेजेंट हियर 0 1 4 7. First of all, this box is for 0, this box is for 1, this is 3 and this is 2. Next, this is for 4, this is 5, this is 7 and this is for 6. Next, the number is present in this function is 0 1 4 7. So 0 box is represented by 0 for max term. Next, 1 is represented by 0 by max term for max term. 3 is missing in this function, so here we write 1. Next, 2 is also missing in this function, so here we write 1. Next box number is 4 and this box number is present here, so here we write 0 because we know that 0 is represent the max term. Okay. Next, 5 is missing in this function, so here we write 1. 7 is present in this function, so here we write again 0. 6 is again missing here, so here we write 1. So how we represent this number? Where the number is present 0 1 4 7, there we write 0 0 1 4 and 7, and the other box, that is 3 2 5 and 6, is represented by 1 because this is a max function. Okay, so in this way we can easily clarify the 3 variable function for a max term, how we represent in the K-map. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel.